Who you are matters. The values you hold and defend matters. Your willingness to take the hard road, despite what your other friends and families may take, matters.
You don't have to be great to take risks, but you have to take risks to do great things.
Today, we are here to celebrate a very momentous occasion. You are graduates of a public university ready to create public good by making a difference in your career, in your family, in your alma mater, in your community, in the nation, and in the world. That is what you do. That is who we are.